Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, January 31st, 2011. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 25 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we started off this morning and we opened up right around 76.50. We made an immediate push up to our Globex high, then came down off of that level, made a quick signal to the downside, hit it a couple of times right there at the open, targets 1 and targets 2 as we went down and filled our half gap for 6 ticks. Bounced immediately off that half gap and made a very deep pullback through our moving averages, kind of came sideways. Did not get a we did get a reset. We did not get a signal long because of the relationship of where we are. But as the market moved back down, gave us another signal to get short. This time we did not break down and make new lows before hitting our after taking our first target. We did not break down and make new lows. We actually came back through the entry and ended up hitting our very tight stop. Ended up with a T1 -2 on that particular trade as we went back to the open. Again, no signal to the upside. Came back and forth across the moving average a couple times. Got another signal to get short right here as we came down through our moving average. You can see we're just kind of channeling sideways, and that happens a lot after a very strong trend day like we had on Friday. The market will tend to go back and forth and feel its way out in the morning, and we ended up getting a signal to get short, targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside, 6 ticks. As we came back through that moving average, we made a quick move to the upside. You can see all these green candles in a row, heads up for an extension. Ended up getting an extension entry, targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks as we broke out to new highs above our Globex high level. You can see we came across and we continued to push higher, and we were looking for an old resistance line up around 80, about 85 today. And the market continued to climb higher during the lunchtime dead zone. It popped up through our pivot, almost made itself up to 85, hit up to 83.75, found some resistance, came down through the moving average, actually came down, touched the moving average in the daily pivot, bounced, did not make a new swing high, actually made a lower high, lower low, kind of have a change in trend, had an opportunity to get a signal short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks. Came down to some longer term support. We had a little bit of confluence down here around the Globex low. The market quickly bounced off that level and gave you what would have been an extension long, but that happened after the 3 o'clock end of the day time starts, and we try to not initiate any new trades after 3 o'clock. So although there was another trade at the end of the day, the market continued to climb higher, and it would have been a nice trade, but we do not initiate anything after 3 p.m. So for us, our day was done. 5 trades, 25 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.